MidJourney, full comparison. Ease of use. Leonardo AI, web-based platform. You log in, choose a model, enter your prompt, and get results. It feels more like a design tool and is beginner-friendly. MidJourney works mainly through Discord. You type prompts in a server channel using commands. It's powerful, but the Discord setup can be confusing for new users. If you want simplicity, Leonardo AI wins. If you're okay with Discord and want more community-driven art, MidJourney wins. 2. Image quality and style. Leonardo AI offers multiple built-in models and even lets you train your own custom model for unique styles. It's versatile, good for product images, concept art, and game design. MidJourney, famous for photorealism and artistic style. It produces highly aesthetic and detailed outputs, often looking like professional digital art or photography. For photorealism and cinematic art, MidJourney is better. For custom styles, product design, and flexibility, Leonardo AI is better. 3. Customization and control. Leonardo AI. You can fine-tune parameters, edit generations, and use its AI Canvas feature to refine parts of images. Supports in-painting, out-painting, and texture generation for 3D game design. MidJourney offers some control, aspect ratio, styles, etc., but it's mostly prompt-driven. No deep editing tools inside MidJourney itself. For detailed control and editing, Leonardo AI. For beautiful results with minimal tweaking, MidJourney. 4. Speed. Leonardo AI. Fast, since it runs on its own web infrastructure. Multiple generations in seconds. MidJourney. Also fast, but speed depends on server load and your subscription level. Both are quick, but Leonardo often feels smoother for bulk work. 5. Pricing. Leonardo AI has a free plan with daily tokens, limited generations. Paid plans start cheaper than MidJourney. MidJourney. No free plan anymore. Paid plans start at around $10 per month, going up to $60 a month for higher limits. Budget users, Leonardo AI is more affordable. Serious artists, MidJourney is worth the price for its quality. 6. Use cases, Leonardo AI, game asset creation, product mockups, logos and design elements, training custom art models, MidJourney, digital art and illustrations, cinematic portraits and photography, fashion concepts, creative storytelling visuals. Final verdict. Choose Leonardo AI if you want easy web-based use, free or cheaper option, custom model training, editing tools like in-painting and AI Canvas. Choose MidJourney if you want the best photorealistic and cinematic art, community-driven creativity on Discord. Stunning results with minimal tweaking. Best for designers and creators who want flexibility. Leonardo AI. Best for artists who want polished masterpieces fast. MidJourney. Would you like me to also make a side-by-side comparison table script? Leonardo versus MidJourney, ease of use, image quality, price, etc., so you can show it visually in a YouTube video?